In this video, I'm going to focus on how to use your notes to help you prepare for a test. Now, I do not really have any notes, but I do have this summary that I had come up with. So let's just say I had these notes and the teacher went over these particular terms. I could ask it, here are some terms in my notes. I don't really care about that summary. What I do care about is create 10 multiple choice questions based on these notes. I'm not sure I like that response. The Great Leap Forward is not in there. Let's see. Create 10 questions based on these notes for high school. So I didn't use the term proxy war, but it still did pick up on that. It could be a result of this being just a summary. Let's go to another section. Let's see. Create 10 choice questions using these notes from my high school class. I'm going to change this. The language you use is not mentioned in my notes. Please use terms and events in my notes to create 10 multiple. You get annoyed with me. This looks better. I could already tell because as I'm skimming through, it really doesn't veer off too much. I mean, the Sino-Soviet Friendship Treaty right there. But as I look at some of these other prompts here, or these responses, definitely using some language, I guess, showing off its understanding of the topic. Proxy wars, diplomatic negotiations. So again, definitely a strategy you can use, but make sure you give it, some clear directions as far as, to focus just on your notes, or you could just disregard, if it gives you a question that isn't about NATO and we know NATO is not in the notes, then don't use it. And here are some additional prompts that you can use. Develop some short answer questions, but again, if you're using your notes that were from class, that should definitely help gear this sample test to what the expectation is going to be on the actual assessment day. So feel free to use this as a strategy as well.